by Wolf-Dieter Hauschild. Myron Alsop leads the London Philharmonic now in a pair of Hungarian dances by Brahms on Classical Radio Boston, 99.5 WCRV.
cloudy, rain showers overnight, lows near 50. Sunday, sun and clouds, a little milder. Few afternoon scattered rain showers possible. Highs near 70 inland, low 60s along the coast. Sunday night, cloudy, some rain showers around, lows mid-50s. Monday, sun and clouds. Few late afternoon or evening rain showers, highs upper 60s. I'm Storm Team 10 meteorologist RJ Hyde.
Freshen up your playlist this spring with Audible Plus. Listen all you want to thousands of select Audible originals, audiobooks, podcasts, and more. Start a free 30-day Audible Plus trial when you sign up at audible.com.
Take a look outside. After a year that brought our world to a standstill, for the first time we are seeing daylight.
The global pandemic is still very real. The COVID-19 vaccines are now readily available.
Rain showers overnight, lows near NL1.
Radio and on your Google Home smart speaker.
Near 70 inland, lows.
Polish culture and heritage. Learn more at massculturalcounseling.org. Safety insurance. People take a lot of self-risks even after a fender bender. Safety's quick estimate program can help your car be repaired. You can ask an independent agent about safety insurance. They'll help you manage life's storms. As promised, here's clarinetist Charles Neidig along with the ensemble L'Archibudelli, quartet for clarinet and strings by Hummel.